Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you the Frida Baby 3-in-1 humidifier. It has a diffuser and a nightlight. To fill it up, you're going to want to remove the egg here. You can see that's what it looks like there. This cap here is where your water will get poured into. I would encourage you to use either distilled or filtered water there. First off, you're going to want to remove this cap here. Okay, you're going to pour into this here. Now already I wish that they had made the opening for filling the water wider. In addition, this base is not really that stable. I'm putting my hand under it to provide it some extra stability. Let's see. Capacity is bigger than I thought it would be. I keep pouring. Okay. It holds about half a gallon of water. Okay, we're going to screw this back on. Okay, this green part will go down. Righty tighty. Okay. Now I'm going to add this. You can see that this is what distributes the water, this coil. I would like that it would tighten tighter. Now, one important aspect here is that this piece here is going to need to fit into the top of this here. You can see, so that's what it looks like. And I'll give you more information. This dial here allows you to increase the intensity of the humidifier. And then this light here gives you a night light for your baby. Hopefully this was helpful.